Hey, what's going on? So, this Saturday at American Eagle Harley-Davidson, we've got quite a few things going on. The first thing we have going on is we're going to have our master technician, Joe Smith, put a bike together on the floor. Now, what are we going to be doing? We're going to be doing suspension, front and rear. So come check that out and kick back, have a good time. And also this weekend, we have a benefit for Chris Moore. And don't forget, we're going to be having the Miles Connor Blues band playing as well. There will be a raffle, 50-50, and don't forget to have your bike washed by our American girls outside. All right, and also don't forget, this month is April, so make sure this is the official Check Your Helmet month, all right? So as you can see, we got a wide range of helmets to pick from. So if your helmet's getting a little nasty, it's starting to smell, or, you know, it's just old, come check out our selection and grab a new helmet. Now, let's also talk about what we're going to be having on the menu this weekend, okay? So on the menu, we are going to have Danny Boy's Barbecue. Barbecue's so good, it'll make you want to slap your mama. All right, so brisket sandwiches, smoked chicken salad, also a brisket potato. That sounds really good. I may have to check that out. All right.
We'll see y'all this weekend.